Alright, hello guys and girls, it's Mr. Tutorial Guy over here. Hope you guys are all good. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest, simplest way that you can think of to configure your kodi. And so I'm going to show you a wizard called ARES wizard, and this is probably the easiest way to configure kodi because this one is very simple. So everything's under one wizard, and this wizard has so many kodi custom build that you can choose from. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So I got my kodi copy over here. So this is kodi copy 17.4, which is the most latest one. So with this one you can download it from the kodi website, kodi.tv, and then choose whichever operating system that you're using. So if you're using Android, you can actually download the copy from the Play Store. You can download the Windows from the website. So in order to configure kodi with this wizard, then first of all, download the copy, and then you can follow me with the instructions. So to do that, then we're going to settings, and then file manager, and then you're going to add source, and then please make sure you type this absolutely as you can see on my screen. So if you get it wrong or you put something which is not supposed to be there, it's not going to work for you. So the likelihood is that you're going to get frustrated and well, it's not going to work for you basically. So yeah, so well, you're going to have a difficult time. So I don't want you to have a difficult times doing this. So the address source will be http:// nope, that's not right, / and then you're going to put down ARES dot, nope, sorry, wrong place there. Okay, delete that bit. ES dot oh sorry, no, sorry, I do apologize. Okay, ARES dash, nope, not underscore, dash, what is dash? Yep, dash, and then you're going to put repo dot EU. Okay, so make sure the address is exactly what you can see. So http://ares dash report.eu. So that's the address that you would need for this one, and then click on OK, and then you're going to go to the next one. You're going to enter the name of the media source, which is the ARES space wizard, ZARDS. Click on it. Okay, now if everything is done correctly for you, if you put down everything correct and no space, no capital, or everything as exactly as you can see on the screen, if you put down exactly what I put down, no problem. Otherwise it will show up to say that something is not correct, so watch out for that. So let's find out then. Okay, so that was absolutely correctly done, so therefore good to go. Okay, so the next step is to download the actual file. So For that, if you can click on again settings, nope, sorry, video add-on, my add-on. If you can just click on the two dots right there, if you can click on install from zip file. Okay, so you're gonna come across the first time you're doing this, you're gonna come across the disabled security. So if you can click on setting there, and then if you can just enable that, say yes, go back, and then click install from zip file again, and that's the source. So this is the actual file then, and then click on it. So that will download, and that will then get enabled. After it downloads, as you can see over there, ARES project. So now we're going to install from repo down here. I'll do that again. So click on that one, and then click on this one. Next, you're going to go to program add-ons, and then you're going to install that one. So make sure you install that one. That's the actual wizard which allows you to download all the other Kodi custom builds, which I will be showing you. So I will come down there in a moment. So once again, there, and then click on install. So once that gets downloaded and installed, so as you can see, that has now been installed. Okay, always just double check if there's any updates. Looks like there is no update, so now you can click on to open then. So it's going to open that in a moment also. Takes a few seconds to open it, and then it will just download it itself actually, instead of doing what I just did. Extracting the file. So I think I did this I did a video on this one a long time ago. I don't know how I did it. It wasn't probably the best video, that one. So just waiting for that to load. So here we go. Right, so this is the actual interface. So here down here, browse builds, you got so many builds available under this one. So you got literally hundreds available to choose from, which is why it's so easy, so simple to use after the initial getting the source and getting the file. And what's really good about this one is that if you ever need to reinstall, or if you ever need to delete it, you can just easily just reset it by reinstalling without losing the actual wizard. So the ARES wizard will always be available to you, even though you reformatted or get rid of the build that you already had using this one. Okay, so I wonder what shall I try. So right, okay, I'm gonna try Okay, there's something else I actually wanted to tell you. So you got the orange section and the green section of the custom builds. The one that in green, it means that build will update you with a new update. So as you can see, can ARES check for update, for build update, and it says yes. For the other ones, it will say no. So just to help you to decide what you want to have. So if you are someone who likes to know whether there is a new update available for the build that you're using, then you can just pick the one that gives you the update, compared to the other ones, which, I mean, all the bits are absolutely brilliant. So it's you're totally spoiled for choices down here, but it's just to make sure you know that the difference between the ones in green and the ones in the other color. Right, okay, so I'm gonna try out one of these. Now personally, so I've used in the past Pulse, Apollo. I've used that one. Right, okay. Now anyone who have a Fire Stick can actually use this one. So I follow a lot of Facebook pages, which a lot of people seem to have problems with their Fire Stick. So if you're a Fire Stick user, you can probably use this one, because this one, I think this one is designed for Fire Stick. So I'm not going to use that one. So with the Fire Sticks, because they have a low power, they have a low system specs. That's why that they're not going to be compatible with all these builds. So if you download this one, for example, Apollo, it might not be compatible with your Fire Stick. It might be too big for us, so therefore it might not run for you smoothly. Okay, so I still haven't decided which one I'm gonna use. Okay, I'm gonna use Pulse just for the purpose of the video. That's all. Now, once you choose the one that you wish to install, you're going to get a pin to download. So every time that you're downloading, every time you're installing a build, you have to use a pin to download that. So to get a pin, you can just click on get a pin, and then I will be taken to the to a page whereby it will show the actual pin. Okay, so that's the pin. So 3828 is the pin that I'm going to use. So I can ignore that. Okay. Okay, so go back 3 out. Totally forgot. It was. Is it 3828? Damn it. 3828. Done. Okay, so if I entered that correctly, it will download it. It will start downloading. Okay, so that was a correct one. Right. Okay, so now select this one. As you can see, the top the Pulse CCM Java's no more update. So that's the previous version of Kodi. So 17.4 is on Krypton. So that's the most stable version of Kodi. So can install this one then. Now, actually, before I do that, if you ever decide that you wanna try out another one, so let's say you configured your Kodi, you decided to go for the one that I've chosen and install that one. If you do not like that one, you can easily just have a fresh start. So if you just click on fresh start, it will tell you the fact that you will keep the actual wizard, but everything else will be deleted. So you can easily just go back. You can easily just install without losing everything. So that's what's really good about this wizard. So the developers, they did absolutely fantastic job on this one, because it does make life very easy for you. So just to let you know, I have no association with the developer. I'm just someone who find it so easy to use. So please don't think the fact that I'm advertising or anything. I'm not advertising. I just found it so easy to use. That's so simple as, and nothing else. Okay, so just click on to install it then. If you're happy with everything, just click on to proceed. Right, okay, so the file is 278.0 megabytes, so it will take a few minutes or so to get it downloaded, and once get downloaded, I will come back with the results, so you can have a timeout and have something to drink, or whatever. So it's gonna take a few minutes before the whole thing get downloaded. So it will get downloaded, and then it will extract the actual file, and then it will close it. So after that, you get to see the results. So I'm going to pause the video while it's being downloaded, so don't go away. I'll see you later. Thank you. Hello everybody, welcome to the second part of the video. So the installation of configuring kodi using the ARES wizard has not been completed, so I'm gonna show you the finished result. So this is what it looks like. Excited. Here we go. So this is Pulse kodi custom build, and it's absolutely brilliant one. Used to use this one long time ago. So this is what it looks like. So you got this movie sections over here, I should say. You got the new this one converting that one. So that one replaced the Exodus. You got Lithium. You got UK Turks. You got Stream Army, and you got Dutch Pool. So that's the movies stuff. Now, if you ever wanted to add your own video add-on, basically, and you know the address, and you know the source, and so on, this is the best way to install, basically. So underneath system, if you click on file manager, and then if you can click on add source, and then it goes like this. So this is an example, basically. So http colon gen dash, nope, that's not right, dash, yep, that's it. No, it's not done, sorry. And then tech.co/GENTECWIZ. So that's an actual source whereby you can download video add-ons. There's loads of them available, and so something is not right here. I think that's right. Now, if the address is yes, I definitely got something wrong over here. I do apologize. Which is why I always like to check to make sure the source is absolutely spot on. Otherwise, no, that's not gonna work. Okay, perfect. There you go. So that's the simplest way to add the source to download the video add-on. So if you know the source, just put it like that, and then download it. That's it. Simple. Yeah. So that's how it goes. Right, okay. Now I'm only gonna go through a few details, not so much. The whole point of this video was to share the easiest way to configure kodi, and this is the easiest way using this special wizard. It's a pretty good one, and I think everyone will probably know. So mainly this is for the people who are getting to know kodi and so on. So if you already know this stuff, well done to you. So yeah. And also another thing about this one, you got video add-ons down here. You can browse, and in fact you can install down here from down here as well. So the ones in green, that's the already that's the installed one already. So the one in pink, that's the ones which are not currently installed. So just to let you know. And then you go the maintenance. So if your code is running slow, you can just sort of like delete the cache and so on. You can also back up, tweak. Yeah, basically to tweak, that would be to make changes. So if you don't know what you're doing, perhaps you shouldn't touch that, I guess. Right, okay, so as you can see, there's so many ones, there's so many of them available. So the one that I've installed is this one, Pulse. And now, as I said at the beginning of the video, if you ever wanted to basically just get rid of it, all you have to do is to select the ones that you wish to install, and then it will ask you to get a pin. Once you enter that, there is the options to do a fresh start. Once you do the fresh start, this program will still be there for you, so you can just come back to it. So simple as that. Right, okay, so if you got any questions, please leave it down on the underneath the video, and let me know how you go on. I think this is the easiest way, but if you feel there's another easiest way, please do share, because sharing is caring, isn't it? So yeah, so that's it for this video then. Until next time, people, take care. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, and have a wonderful day or evening, or whenever it might be for you. Thanks for watching. Take care.